Everyone thinks the best-selling blind spot mirror is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Live T HD Glass Blind Spot Mirrors. First up, we have the Live T Blind Spot Mirrors. What caught my eye is that they're a bestseller and priced at just $11.99 for a pack of 2. If you want to eliminate blind spots for safer driving, this is worth a serious look. These mirrors feature a 360-degree adjustable swivel that offers a wide-angle view, which is crucial for safely changing lanes. The HD glass is frameless, ensuring clear, distortion-free reflections. Plus, they're IP65 waterproof, making them durable in all weather conditions. With over 25,700 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's clear that people trust these mirrors. Now, some users did mention that they had issues with the adhesive not holding up in extreme conditions. This is perfect for you if you drive a car, SUV, or truck and want better visibility. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional mirror style that doesn't stand out. Product number 2, Live T Wedge-Shaped Blind Spot Mirror. Next up is another option from Live T, this wedge-shaped blind spot mirror. Priced at just $9.99, it's an affordable choice that doesn't sacrifice safety. If you want a compact design that maximizes your view, take a look at this. Like the previous model, this mirror also features 360-degree adjustability, allowing you to fine-tune your angle for optimal visibility. The HD glass ensures clear reflections without any distortion, which is really important when you're trying to keep an eye on traffic. Plus, with over 7,100 reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many drivers appreciate its performance. However, some users found the installation slightly tricky. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward. Just make sure to clean your original mirror before applying it. This is perfect for you if you drive a truck or a larger vehicle and want an easy-to-install safety feature. Skip this if you prefer mirrors with a larger surface area. Product number 3, Live T Heart-Shaped Blind Spot Mirrors. Now let's check out the Live T Heart-Shaped Blind Spot Mirrors. These are unique and eye-catching, priced at only $6.99 for a pack of 2. If you're looking to add some personality to your car while enhancing safety, this could be a fun option. These mirrors also offer 360-degree adjustability, and the HD glass ensures clear visibility without any haze. The heart shape might seem playful, but they still deliver on the important safety features, eliminating blind spots effectively. With a high rating of 4.6 stars and over 25,700 reviews, buyers are clearly satisfied. But I'll be real with you, some might find the heart shape a bit too quirky for their taste. If you're all about sleek and professional designs, this may not be for you. This is perfect for you if you want a cute, practical addition to your vehicle. Skip it if you prefer a more classic design. Product number 4, Live T X Large Blind Spot Mirrors. Moving on to the Live T X Large Blind Spot Mirror, which is great for those who want a larger view. Priced at $11.99, these mirrors are designed for maximum visibility. If you want to cover more area, check this out. These mirrors also have a 360-degree swivel feature, which is essential for adjusting your view. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 7,100 reviews, it's clear that these mirrors offer reliable performance. However, some users reported that the larger size made them a bit more challenging to install. But honestly, as long as you take your time, you should manage just fine. This is perfect for you if you drive a larger vehicle like an SUV or van. Skip this if you're looking for something smaller and more compact. Product number 5, Essential Contraptions Round Blind Spot Mirrors. Finally, we have the Essential Contraptions Round Blind Spot Mirrors. These are priced at $9.99 and come in a 2-pack. If you want a straightforward, no-fuss approach to improving your driving safety, these are a solid choice. These mirrors are made with real glass and have a rust-resistant aluminum frame, so they're durable. They offer a clear view, which is crucial for spotting vehicles in your blind spot. With a 4.5-star rating and over 4,300 reviews, they've proven to be dependable. One downside some users noted is that they can be smaller than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something discreet and effective, these might still do the trick. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable and simple solution for blind spots. Skip this if you're looking for a larger surface area for better visibility. So to wrap it up, the Live T HD glass mirrors are great for reliable visibility, while the wedge-shaped ones offer a compact solution. The heart-shaped mirrors add a fun touch, and the X-large option is perfect for broader views. Lastly, the Essential Contraptions mirrors are a straightforward choice for those who want simplicity. Each of these options has its strengths, so pick the one that suits your driving style best.